Just pulled up on the Scottish Prince wreck. Just thrown down the pick. We're probably about 800 metres offshore here. Swells up a little bit. Water visibility is not too good. Mate's getting ready. Hopefully we get some fish. Got the 750 out.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
We're just getting ready for another spearfish again. Pretty excited to get out there. I've just hooked up the ski and loaded up the car. Yesterday Nate went out and ended up getting a couple of good fish. I had to work, so I was the unlucky bugger. Yeah, so there's been a couple of pretty gnarly storms here in the last couple of days, so hopefully the water visibility is still good. He went out yesterday and pretty much said that the water visibility was excellent, so hopefully it's really good today, but we'll see what happens. I just got back from Adreno actually. Adreno is like one of the meccas for spearfishing. It's a spearfishing shop that pretty much does all your scuba and stuff as well. But I'll show you these new fins I got. They're pretty sick. So they're like a blade style fin that you can actually take the blade, like unscrew the blades, and then you're left with these foot pockets. But the reason why that's good is we can get rid of these plastic fins and essentially fit the carbon fiber fins or the fiberglass fins, but they're like $550. So we'll start off with these first and see how we go, but they're going to really help. Got a rubber weight belt as well, so rubber's way better than the woven belts. The weights don't flop around and don't slip anywhere. So yeah, we're going to get going and we'll see how it goes. Quite a successful catch today.